I did my best to notice when the call came down the line, up to the platform of surrender. I was brought, but I was kind. And sometimes I get nervous when I see an open door. Close your eyes, clear your heart, cut the cord. Are we human, or are we dancer? My sign is vital, my hands are cold, and I'm on my knees looking for the answer. Are we human, or are we dancer? My sign is vital, my hands are cold, and I'm on my knees looking for the answer. Are we human, or are we dancer? Are we human, or are we dancer?
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials, you'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.